I'm Riley, and here's a song I wrote. Yeah. My mind is like a two-star motel, but they at least change their sheets every 9 weeks. Horny geeks wish to frequent their beds, but you, sir, will always have a place in my head. Okay, world, I'm up, I'm walking this way, that way. You could just sit around and you would make my day. And we're in a tunnel, let's go smell the cats in tunnels. Let's lie down, embrace the moment. Would you embrace me a moment? 'Cause I my addiction to you. Okay, that sounded weird as hell, but you know I think I mean well. My addiction to you.